traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Kenya. They treat me like a son anywhere I go, and even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own.
Hi guys, good morning. So today I'm at the Dam Red Hill doing my morning yoga, and then I'm going to have breakfast kidogo and do check my emails from work. Then I can go back home. I also have my breakfast here. I carried breakfast with me. Here's my yoga mat there and my Masai blanket there, and I have my breakfast in this bag here. I don't know if you can be able to see it well, so let's do it together. So guys, I'm done with yoga and my breakfast, so I'd like to share with you some gifts I received on my way here that I'm too excited to let go and to open later. So this is what I received from Eco Baby Store, an online store. I'll share with you the link on the description box below and the prices that I was able to be informed the cost. So guys, I had told you in my previous video that I've been looking for cloth diapers here in Kenya and I've not been able to get any while sourcing online. So they gifted me cloth diapers, guys, and this is how they look like. There's one here that has no insert. There's an option for buying one with no insert, and there's an option for buying one with an insert. This is how it looks like. The material is it's called what? Waterproof. Then, oh wow, then there's this cloth diaper. It was in a paper. I was too excited. I opened one of them and checked it out. This is the second one. It has inserts inside, 3 inserts. This is how they look like. I can't wait to try these things out, guys. There are 3. Also comes in a different price range. I can't wait to try them out. Oh my god, this is so nice. Thank you so much, Jackie, for these gifts. I really appreciate this. This is actually the first gifting that I've received as a vlogger and I'm so happy. Then I got these bibs. I think Jackie wants me to get a girl next. So look at how cute they are. Look at how cute these bibs are. Me, I think Jackie is intending on me having a daughter soon. I think she's just foreseen this and she's decided to give me these gifts. I'll keep them for my baby girl, Jackie. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your gift. Then guys, she got me this. You remember I had shared with you I got an insulated bag from my nanny. She gifted me an insulated bag, but Jackie, she's given me one that is compact and can be able to fit. Oh, the sun. This is how it looks like. This is the first zip outside where you can put something, a purse or something, and then this is how it looks like inside. It can fit 2 bottles. I'm going to use this for carrying my baby's food to go to church with and to go out with when I'm going with my baby out, and I'm so grateful, Jackie. Thank you so much. So guys, she also got me this thing. This is the carrier bag for bottles, just to maintain the warmth for the bottles of the baby. She also told me that this is also beneficial for moms who are giving baby formula, so they don't have to keep waking up in the middle of the night to fix their baby the bottle. You just put the bottle in here when it's hot, and then by the time you're feeding the baby at night, it's warm enough for you to be able to do that. You don't have to put water inside. It just maintains the temperature. If you put something cold, it will remain cold. Anything warm, it's going to remain warm or hot. So Jackie, I'm really grateful. Guys, I will share with you on the description box the link for that online store so you can be able to check it out. Also, I'll share with you the prices for the products that she has shared with me. She also has clothes that she sells. She also has a diaper rash cream that she also sells, which I am going to also share with you later. I think it's in the car. I removed it and then I was testing it out. I think it's in the car. It's made of shea butter and different kinds of oils, and it's all on the go in a tub. So I'll share with you an experience on how it works for me and my baby. And I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Eco Baby Store, for these gifts, and to many more. You've opened ways for many more gifting that I'm going to be receiving very soon. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel, and if you are not subscribed yet, please go down there and subscribe, please, and click on the notification bell down there so you can be able to get every single video, get an update on any single video I put up. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Let me enjoy my morning before I go home and deal with mommy duties. I'll see you in my next vlog.